Hey everyone, want to delete your Roblox account? If you've decided to stop using Roblox, it's important to know that there isn't a self-service button to permanently delete your account. Instead, you'll need to contact Roblox Support and request account deletion. In this full guide, I'll show you the correct process in 2026, so let's get started. Before deleting your account, make sure you've saved anything important. Once your account is deleted, you may permanently lose access to your friends list, purchased items, game progress, Robux balance, and account settings. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox support page. Fill in your contact information, Roblox username, and select the appropriate support category. In the description box, clearly state that you want your Roblox account to be permanently deleted. Review the information you've entered, then submit the form. Roblox support may contact you to verify your identity before processing your request. If Roblox support requests additional information, reply using the same email address associated with your Roblox account. This helps confirm that you're the rightful account owner. Finally, wait for Roblox support to review your request. Processing times can vary, and you'll receive confirmation once your request has been handled. And that's how to request the deletion of your Roblox account in 2026. Since Roblox doesn't provide a built-in delete button, contacting Roblox support is the official way to request permanent account deletion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.